MTD CNC are in Ellen today. We're at Colchester Machine Tool Solutions. It's a fabulous new facility that they moved into some months ago. I'm with Keith Clough here, and the topic of the conversation this morning with Keith is about Colchester. Keith, tell us a little bit about Colchester Machine Tools and how the heritage of the business helps you in the selling of these modern machine tools.
I think what a lot of people don't realise is Colchester's been around for over 100 years. We're synonymous with quality products. I think that most of us that are watching this video have done some sort of training on a Colchester or a Harrison product. There's over 100,000 machines in the world. We're a global company. We're selling to over 50 countries around the world.
That's the sort of infrastructure that a lot of your competition can't really offer, isn't it? You're a much different business in that respect.
Absolutely. We're still supporting some of our machines that are 30, 40 years old. The started life with the centre lathes, conventional machines, and then progressed up through the alphas, the semi-CNC manual machines, and now we've got the top of the range in the Typhoon range.
And this Typhoon is a multi-axis machine. How does your heritage influence the development of a product like this, making sure you give engineers what they need?
We still have our own engineering and design department on site here at Elland. So we have an input into the whole of the range of the machines. The backup that we have here, the engineering department, we always have people on site to help customers as a hotline on a telephone. We have our applications engineers that go out, again, all over the world if necessary.
When it comes to the pricing as well, does economies of scale come into this? The fact that you are such a big player, you can produce and deliver so many machines, you can be very competitive, not just on multi-axis machines, but across the range in general.
Absolutely. We stock something between 60 and 70 machines on site here now. Obviously, the more complex, larger machines, we don't stock as many as those. But for instance, the students and M300s, we've probably got 30 of them in stock at any one time.
And how important do you think it is for a company to purchase a machine of this level of sophistication from a business like yours that has got so much experience?
Oh, it's absolutely imperative, I think, because we've got that history behind us. You know, we're a machine tool company through and through. You know, we're not an agent that sells boxes for people. You know, a lot of them are manufactured for us to our designs.